Hello everyone, this is the demonstration for Instagram username registration bot. So you have to just double click the bot file. So the one thing you have to do is you have to just install Google Chrome before running the bot. That's it. So once you double click that, it will open Chrome and make it ready for the whole automation process. So the three inputs you have to give is like the username you want to register and the email address with which you want to register that particular username and the password of that particular email address. So what is the use case for this bot is like, if you want a username to be registered on your mail address, if you are looking for a username and it is already using by someone, if he is releasing that particular username, this bot will register that username to you. So I'm now providing, for the test case I'm providing my username which I'm already using. So I'm now typing that particular username. So I'm giving my email address here. This email address is like the Instagram username Instagram email ID with which you want to register particular username you want to register. So after that I'm providing my password. So once I click on the start bot, it will open Chrome and it will log in into that particular username, and parallelly it will check whether that username is exist or it is using by someone. So it is now logging into the email address and it will check for the username in the backend. It will check for the username Prequite, so whether it is available or not. Okay, so as it is that username, it is showing like username already exists and try count is it will increase every second. Like in the backend it is searching for that username availability. As you can see that username I'm using is Prequite, so I'm stopping the bot. So once you click on start bot, it will close Chrome and everything. So for the test case I am now changing the Prequite to Prequite001, which is a available username in Instagram, so that you will be able to you will be able to see what the bot is doing. So I'm clicking on start bot now. So it is opening Chrome and it will log in into my Instagram user ID. Okay. It will get minimized. You can do whatever you want 24/7. That bot will be online and check for the username. So the username log, as you see that Prequite got changed to Prequite001. So once the username is available, it will register that particular username to your email address. So as it is showing like the username registration is in progress. So as I don't want to change my username, I'm gonna stop this bot right now. So likewise you can look for any Instagram username, and if that particular username is available at any moment of time, this bot will register that particular username to the email address. So thanks for watching. Thank you.